Example 5, we're going to find the derivative of the function g of t, which is equal to t minus 2 over 2t plus 1 to the 9th power. Okay, so what we're going to do is we need to find out what g prime of t is. Well, g prime of t is going to be the following. Okay, we're going to find, well, the power rule, which is going to be 9 times t minus 2 over 2t plus 1, and that's the exponent is 9 minus 1, which is going to be 8. And then we're going to multiply it by the derivative with respect to t of the function that's inside, which is t minus 2 over 2t plus 1. So what are we going to do? Well, step 2, okay, we know that we have g prime of t, which is equal to 9, and then we have t minus 2 to the 8th divided by 2t plus 1 to the 8th. And now we need to find the derivative of this. Now remember that we're finding a derivative of the quotient. So that means we're going to take low times the derivative of the high minus high, and then d low over low squared. So we know that the low is 2t plus 1, and the derivative of the numerator is 1, minus high, which is t minus 2, times the derivative of the denominator 2t, which is 2, over low squared, which is 2t plus 1 squared. Let's distribute the 1 and the 2, so we end up getting 2t plus 1 in the numerator, minus, if we distribute the 2, we get 2t minus 4. And so then we have in the denominator 2t plus 1 squared. And if we distribute the minus sign, we get 2t plus 1 minus 2t minus 4 all over 2t plus 1 squared. So we can eliminate the 2 t's, and this becomes a plus 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5 over 2t plus 1 squared. So now we're going to place that in for the derivative. So it's going to be times 5 all over 2t plus 1 squared. And so now all we need to do is combine and multiply. Well, we know that 9 times 5, since that's 9 over 1, is 45. Times t minus 2 to the 8th power. And then in the denominator, when you multiply with the same base, then you add your exponents. So 8 plus 2 is 10. And so therefore, that is your derivative. The derivative of this function is 45 times t minus 2 to the 8th power over 2t plus 1 to the 10th power.